Hey guys, today I'm going to be using a mouse instead of a keypad and like the up and down keys like I normally use. But I can't do an intro. Anyways, so now I'm going to have to use the ASW keys to move and a mouse to do everything when I normally use a keypad. So it feels really awkward right now. So you guys, I'm on a Chromebook, that's why the recording is so bad. Don't mind it. Maybe turn your quality up, like the highest it goes, because otherwise it's gonna look like trash the whole time. A sheriff. I like this role, but not what I mean. What is that? Okay, so there's 3 people now. I don't want to die. Hey, get away from me. Oh, I knew it. Oh, hell no. Oh no, I keep pressing the wrong keys. I cannot shoot for help. I'm trying to do. I can't even shoot her when she's standing still, bro. That's how bad I am. Oh god. What's going on? I can't wall camp anymore. No, he doesn't believe in me. Ah! What the heck? Oh, the sheriff just died. Nope. Now I know who it is. It's a little creature. Oh, 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 oh. Ah! Too stressful. Stop, mouse supposed to be easy. Oh god! Slave. Slave. I did that.